If you want to create a lift from within, it's actually very easy. We don't need to cut into our faces to lift our muscles or even to help lift the bones that start to go down as we mature. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lisa, and I have been a holistic master esthetician for over 40 years, and I own Peaches Skincare, a holistic skincare company. I help men and women around the world have beautiful, healthy skin without needles, procedures, or pills, and I will be 60 in February, and I have done nothing to my face. I use no filters, and I wear no foundation and concealer. Now, the routine that I teach my clients is very simple. You can go to Peaches Skincare and you can look at it, peachesskincare.com. But I also teach them to massage their skin, and I have so many videos on this. So if you're a peach, chime in, let them know how it's helped you, give your opinion. But I think it's such an important part of taking care of your skin. Now, we want to create blood flow. We know that when we create blood flow, we create oxygenation of skin cells and therefore collagen at any age. And one of the things that I do daily is what you see me doing now. I like to massage my skin. I'll use something like my Radiance Recovery Salve, which is a Peaches product. You could use an olive oil. You could use a castor oil. This is a non-petroleum salve that is incredibly healing, and I love to use this in the morning and at night. Many times I will put it over my moisturizer during the day. It'll probably shine a bit in the video, but it will really help you to understand how you can get that glide and really massage your face. Now, we have 42 muscles in our face, and we have 43 with our neck, and it is so important to work those out. In fact, you know, we have younger and younger women and men that are injecting their faces and changing their faces. And the fact is things like Botox are just going to make your muscles drop eventually. Because I was so blessed, and I have been so blessed to take care of clients for so many decades, I have seen what happens when you stop those things, when you don't truly take care of your skin. You know, it's funny, I'll have people tell me that they went and got laser, or they went and had a procedure, but then they don't protect their skin when they're out in the sun. So it's not about the quick fix here. It's about truly getting consistency. So I'll start to work my skin, just really working the muscles. And I do have a very strong touch. You can start at your neck and work up, getting all that blood flowing, and don't be afraid. You are not stretching your skin. Your skin is adhering to your muscle, and you are trying to work that muscle. Now, one of the things I'll do is, before I do something like Gua Sha, which I'll show you in a minute, is I put my hands or my knuckles right under the bone on my face, and I'll just work along it, and I'll start to lift it. And I do the same with my eye bone or my orbital bone. Just lift it. And then just start working the muscles on your face. 1, 2, 3, and then go right up into here. And that creates a huge blood flow. We're telling the brain to lift the skin. 1, 2, 3. It creates more blood flow. And we're telling the brain to lift the skin. Now, you can use your fingers. I also love to use my Gua Sha. I do this every evening while we're watching television, and I'm not an advocate of metal gua shas or wooden gua shas, and I don't even like the new brushes. I really get concerned about you causing superficial tears in the skin where the fungus and bacteria that's always on our skin can activate. In fact, many of you will tell me you have rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis, when in fact, it is really just active fungus. Always look at your neck. Does your neck look healthy? Because if that's the case, it's something you're doing to the skin on your face. That can be foundation and concealer. I think it's one of the most aging things you can do for your skin and so unhealthy. It can be bad sunscreen, bad products. Now, with the Gua Sha, you want it to be nice and smooth. This is just a rose quartz. You can do green jade, whatever you like. And essentially, I will just start by getting the blood flowing up to my face. In fact, if you come in for a Peaches facial, we always start with massage to get the blood flowing towards the face. We want to see how healthy your skin is. Now, this is a natural lift. This is not going and cutting into your face. Just lift under your bone. Keep working up your face. And I'm just going to do one side so that you can see just how powerful moving all of those toxins out, working the muscle, and getting the blood flowing can be. I like to go up to my eye, and I will really work up this fast in the beginning. And then you can get very detailed on the places that you massage. And do you see how it's lifted here? Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to drop back down, because you're going to be consistent with your massage. Consistency is key with your Peaches routine. It is key with doing any muscle work and creating change. If you only do Gua Sha for 2 weeks and you think you didn't see a difference, you are not allowing the process. It's the same with products. It takes about 28 days for your skin to reset. And many of you, when you first start my routine or any routine, have decades of cumulative damage. When you were young, your parents probably didn't put a hat on you. They probably didn't teach you how to clean your skin like they did your hair. So those decades of damage starts when you're toddlers. I see teenagers with decades of damage. When you're a teenager, everyone tells you it's hormones. They tell women to cover up their face with foundation and concealer because it'll hide the acne. You're doing things to your skin that by the time you're in your 20s, even the Journal of Medicine says that you have created decades of damage to your skin, and most of the damage. So when you start a routine, give it time. Give it longer than 6 weeks. Give it longer than 28 days. If you're not seeing changes in about 3 months, you can reach out to me personally, lisa@peachesskincare.com. But just like losing weight, just like quitting doing things that are not good for you, like drinking too much or smoking or eating unhealthy, this takes time and patience and consistency. But I can tell you it works, because I will be 60 in February, and I am proud of how I'm aging. I'm proud of how healthy I am. I don't care if I look a certain way some days and my lines show more, or I look a little wrinkled, or my gray hair sparkle, here, I'll pull it down for you, is showing, because aging is a beautiful process that many people don't get to do. And I want to encourage you for 2026 to lean into it, to love who you are. The new trends are less is more. No big eyelashes, no big cheeks, no injectables, just loving your skin. And like I said in a recent video, if you're from the 70s, it was, I think her name was Cheryl Tiegs, and it was clean is sexy. I don't think we need to be sexy, but I do think we need to be our very best and beautiful. And I know that they were talking about foundation, but the message was less is more, and your true unique beauty is everything. So start massaging today. You can do it in the morning. You can do it at night. In the morning, you're releasing toxins from the night when your skin was healing and your body was purging out impurities. And at night, you're giving it a refresh right before bed to help all of those skin cells and all of that blood and your body to heal itself. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You can ask me anything with love and kindness below, and I hope I've helped you to uncover your true confidence.